What's up, guys? This is Brian from Garces Bros. I'm here to let you know that we have an awesome little thing for you. We have this SD card reader that will save your life. What's up, guys? This is Brian Garces, again here from Garces Bros, helping you guys out with those daily tips or those tricks that will help you out in the field. All right, so you know how you normally go out there and you have your camera and you're just basically shooting, but you do forget to bring out more SD cards. Well, let's say you don't have your laptop either, or one of those portable hard drives that you can connect your SD card and then from there you can dump all the memory in there. Those seem expensive, but if you don't have the budget, luckily you have one of these adapters that will help you do that. So you can take your SD card from your camera, okay, and then take the SD card and put it into the SD adapter, like so, and then connect it right into your telephone, or your cell phone, sorry. So once you do that, you're able to just export all those photos, videos, or whatever you had of footage or photos in your camera to move it into your phone. It's one of those easy, simple tricks that is very awesome. I'm gonna bring out my phone really quick. I have it in my pocket right here. And you have to just basically connect it like so. And then once you do that, you come around and you go into your photos, and there's a part in your phone, at least for iPhone. So I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but there's a part that says import. And as you can see, my phone is loading all my pictures that I have taken so far with this SD card. So that's the nifty thing about it. It does take a little bit of time to transfer the photos over, especially if you're doing RAW. If you're doing RAW, it's a bigger file. So whatever the reading speed of your card to the reading speed here to the transfer here, it's gonna take a little bit of time. Other than that, I think it's one of the best things ever, because all you have to do is just basically select, as you can see, I'm bring it right here. I don't know if you can see it, but you can select the ones that you need, and then you can go ahead and import. And then from there, you can just edit on your phone, or after that, at least you haven't saved it on your phone, you can bring it back to your computer. But at least it's a way that you can actually export anything, so you can have more memory space on your card if you're just out one card, or you did 2 cards and you're all full. You always gotta plan ahead somehow. But I hope this trick helps you out. Hopefully it brings you a little bit less stress out in the field. Any more tips, tricks like this, I'll be here to help you guys out. And thanks again for coming over and check this video out. Go ahead and comment below any comments or anything like that. We do read them. Thank you so much for watching, and go ahead and share, like, and make sure you click on the little bell so we can send you more notifications when we have new videos up. And this is Brian from Garces Bros. Take care. God bless.